Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. The definition of heap sort is a comparison based on sorting algorithm that uses a special tree structure called heap. A heap, usually a max heap to sort element, its work by repeatedly removing the largest element from the heap and placing in the correct position in Ri. Na heap position ay heap sort daw ay comparison nagbe-base sa sorting algorithm. Use using the special tree structure tinatawag na heap. Usually, max heap nagkukuha daw siya ng short element work by repeatedly removing the largest element from the heap. Yun lang po. And how it's work? Start with 4, 10, 3, 5, 1. Make it the heap, the biggest number goes top, removing the biggest 10. Ilalagay daw it the end. Sa susunod nun ay biggest ay 5. Removing put next, keep going the final shorted list. And yung the biggest daw ay 10. Mari-remove daw yon. Yung kakasunod nun ay yung the biggest one, the inside the out ay input ay 5. Yan po. Thank you very much. And wassalamualaikum.
Assalamualaikum. So this is the simple code of heap sort. So simple explanation: build a max heap. Treat the array like a binary tree. The largest number moves to the root index 0. Example heap 10, 5, 3, 4, 1. So swap root with last element. Put the largest element at the end of the array. Example 10 and 1. So 1, 5, 3, 4, 10. Heap again. Fix the heaps excluding the sorted part. Repeat until sorted. So eventually you get 1, 3, 4, 5, 10. So what Heapy does, checks parents, left child and right child. So if a child is bigger than the parent, swap continue until the subtree becomes a valid chip. So why heap sort works? So a max heap always keep the largest value at the top, removing the biggest element repeatedly give a sorted array. So that's all.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Topic is when to use it. Use counting salt when number 1, the range of number is small. Example, salting number from 0 to 100. Counting salt speed depends on the range value, not on how many numbers you have. The input value are integer. Counting salt only work on whole number 0, 1, 2, 3. If you have floats 2, 5, 3, 14 or string apple, it won't work without extra step. So yung kihatian ko salting ay counting salt kailangan gumamit ng counting salt kapag limitado o maliit lang ang possible value ng mga number. Halimbawa, may list ka sa grades na puro nasa 0 or 100 lang. So dahil maliit lang ang range ng number, magawa ng counting salt ang trabaho niya. Bibilangin lang niya kung ilang beses lumabas ang bawat numbers. Kung sobra ang laki ng range tulad ng 1 hanggang 1 million, masyado ng malaki ang table ng gagamitin niya, kaya hindi na siya efficient. Number 2, kapag lahat ng input integer o buo bilang ang counting salt ay nakadepende sa pagbibilang, kaya gumagana lang ito kapag ang number ay tulad ng 5, 10, 23, 99. Ito lang, that's all. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. So the advantage and the disadvantage of heap sort, consistent time, complexity, and list sorting, good for large data set, useful priority. So, sa lahat ng sitwasyon, pinakamabuti, karaniwang pinakamasama, walang pagbaba sa pinakamasamang sitwasyon tulad ng quick sort. So, and list sorting requires only constant extra space for swap in variables, making it memory. Pari-parihong dagdag na eskwasyon para sa mga kalitan o variables na ginagawa ito mahusay sa paggamit ng memory. Good for large data set. Performs well with large volume of the data due to its stable. Useful priority. The heap structure, which relies on the basic for priority implementation, sort can be adapted for related tasks. So, a disadvantage, not stable, or not stable, preserve the relative orders of equal element only if modified which adds complexity. Pinapanatili lamang ang kaunay na pagkasunod-sunod ng magkaparihong elemento kung binago na nagdaragdag na pagiging komplikado. So, ang forecast, performance, accesses elements and non-sequential memory location due to the heap tree structure, leading to more cache misses compared to sequential algorithm like merge, sort, or insertion sort. Ang pag-access sa mga elemento ay nasa sunod-sunod na lokasyon ng memorya dahil sa kurang puno ng heap na humahantong sa mas maraming cache miss kumpara sa mga sunod-sunod na algorithm tulad ng merge sort or insertion sort. So, as number 3, slower than quick sort. In practice, despite having the same time complexity, quick sort outperforms heap sort on real-world data because of better cache utilization and lower constant factor. Kabilihan ng parihong time, complexity, and quick sort ay kadalasan nagpapahusay sa heap sort as sa tunay na data dahil sa mas mahusay na paggamit ng cache at mababang constant factor. So, number 4, less efficient for small data set. insertion sort or bubble sort are faster for smooth array since their constant factor are lower. Hindi mas epektibo para sa maliit na dataset. Ang insertion sort or bubble sort ay mas mabilis para sa maliit na array dahil mas mababa ang kanilang constant factor. So, ito lang.